In this video, we will show you how to set up AI human and vehicle detection. First, log in and open main setup menu. Head over to AI detection setup. We want pedestrian and vehicle. Only one detection method can be active at any given time, so if you cannot click on the enable box, check the tips message next to the box. Here it's telling us to turn off SMD first. SMD stands for Smart Motion Detection, which is enabled by default. You can turn it off by going into the channel menu, then Motion. And check the enable box for the channel you want and hit apply. Now we go back to AI detection setup. The enable box has become clickable. Hit apply to turn it on. To fine-tune the detection condition, enter setup by clicking the gear icon. There are 3 capture modes: default, real-time, and interval. Default mode automatically picks the most suitable image as the snapshot for the detection event. Real-time mode sets the snapshot as soon as the detection is triggered. Interval mode allows you to customize the number of snapshots taken and how many shots per second in at fixed intervals. Minimum pixel sets the smallest size a target can be in order to trigger the detection. A maximum pixel sets the largest size. This is set up to eliminate situations where the target is either too far or too close to the camera, not actually in the intended area. Here you can specify what types of target you want to detect. Such as pedestrian, usually it's a person, or it could be a robot, or any human-shaped entity. I don't know what's in your backyard. Don't ask me. Motor vehicle targets would be something like a car, a truck, or a van. And a bike would be categorized as a non-motorized vehicle. There are 2 detection modes. Hybrid mode detects both moving and stationary targets, while motion mode detects only moving targets. If you want to limit the detection to a particular area instead of the whole view, you can switch the detection area from full screen to user-defined. While in user-defined mode, click on the image to draw the detection box. In this demo, we only want to detect targets going near that doorway. Once the box is drawn, you can click on the corner to adjust its shape. I can also move the whole box by clicking inside of it and dragging it around. Click Save to finalize your settings. Next, we will show you how scheduling works. Detection scheduling is useful if you want to activate it only at specific hours of the day. Go to the Schedule page. Toggle the Enable switch to turn it on. Let's say we want pedestrian and vehicle detection to be active only at night between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. First, click on the detection type. Drag the cursor to highlight time blocks before 6 a.m. And also the blocks after 6 p.m. Hit apply to save. And we are done.